When your Sceptre monitor shows no display, systematic diagnosis is essential. We'll walk through the key steps to identify and resolve the most common causes. Step 1. Verify power. Check if the monitor's LED indicator is lit. This confirms the monitor is receiving electrical power and the internal power supply is functioning. Step 2. Test cables and ports systematically. Disconnect and reconnect all cables firmly. Cable degradation is extremely common and often the root cause of display issues. Different cable types have varying failure rates. HDMI and DisplayPort cables can degrade over time, especially cheaper variants. Always test with a known good cable before assuming hardware failure. Step 4. Verify resolution and refresh rate compatibility. Your computer may be outputting an unsupported resolution. Check Windows display settings and ensure the resolution matches your monitor's specifications. Finally, if using USB-C connections, be aware of compatibility issues. DisplayPort Alt Mode functionality can fail with certain laptop models, especially newer systems. Try alternative connection methods if USB-C isn't working. These diagnostic steps resolve approximately 70% of no display issues. If your monitor still shows no display after these checks, advanced troubleshooting techniques will be needed. When basic troubleshooting fails, the next step is performing a factory reset through your monitor's on-screen display menu. This clears any corrupted settings that might be preventing proper display. Firmware updates from Sceptre often address EDID corruption and compatibility issues. EDID, or Extended Display Identification Data, tells your graphics card what resolutions and refresh rates your monitor supports. If software solutions fail, test the hardware by connecting your monitor to a different device or connect a different monitor to your computer. This isolates whether the problem is with the monitor or your graphics card. For persistent issues, especially with older monitors, internal components may be failing. The power supply and backlight are common failure points that require professional diagnosis and repair. In corporate environments, implement preventive maintenance by documenting cable ages and replacement schedules. This proactive approach prevents many display issues before they occur. Seek professional repair when troubleshooting steps fail, when you see physical damage, or when dealing with warranty coverage. Professional technicians have specialized tools and replacement parts for internal component repairs.